Back to the Edexcel IGCSE paper from June 24, it's paper 1. Right, this is 7, and this is, I'm presuming a Venn diagram, but it's quite a big Venn diagram because it's got 3 sections and then the outside. So that's A, that's B, and that's C. I don't think I've left enough space in the middle. So it's 23 to 34. A is even numbers, B is 23, 29 and 31, and C is multiples of 3. Okay, so that's A, B, C. So where does 23 go? 23 goes into B. I think that's a prime number. 24 is in A, but it's also in C. Oh, I don't love how little space I've left. 25 is nowhere, so we'll put it there. 26 is, it's an even number. 27 is in C. Good Lord, that's not in A. Where is that? So let's put that in A rather than anywhere else. I can't believe I just exclaimed, good Lord. Okay, 26, 27 will be in C. 28 would be in even numbers. 29 is in B. 30 will be in even numbers and in C, so that's that one. 31 is weirdly in here. 32 is in here. 33 is in here, and 34 is in this one. I think I've put everything in the right place. Right, list the members of B union C. So B union C is 23, 29, 31, 33 and 27. I should probably have done that in some sort of order. A not intersection C is, so it's not A, but it is C, so it's going to be 27 and 33. And it says, is it true that the intersection of B and C is null? Or, well, yes, because there's nothing in it. Yes, nothing in it. They share no members. There we go. And the set D had the members D union. So D is A union C, and that's the intersection with A union C. Is it all the things that isn't A union C? I think it probably is. So let's go with 23, 25. Basically all the prime numbers, I think. Must be 29 and 31 then. Yeah. So 29 and 31. Okay, now, the cylinder is placed on the table. The volume of the cylinder is 1575 and it's got a height of 21. So that means the area at the bottom, so this section here, is going to be 1575 divided by 21. And I think we're going to have to find that because this is about pressure, and that means we're going to use force and area. So 1575 divided by 21 equals, so 75. So we know that the bottom, so the sort of circle at the bottom area equals 75 centimetres squared. Right, the force exerted by the cylinder on the table is 84 newtons. So that means that pressure equals force over area. So that's 84 newtons over 75, which is, I don't know, 1 point something small. 84 divided by 75 equals 28 over 25, or 1.12. And that would be newtons per centimetre squared, I'm assuming. Yeah, 1.12. Always remember to put in the units, otherwise you lose marks, but sometimes they put them in for you. Right, the table gives the amount of rice produced by 2 countries in 2020. So that's Indonesia's 35 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to do that. And Argentina is 820. Hang on. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right. Oh, I have already. I kind of sometimes do this so that I can, when they're relatively small numbers, i.e. not loads and loads of zeros, it's much easier to look at them that way. In 2020, Japan produced 6,780,000 more tonnes of rice than Argentina. Work out the amount of rice that Japan produced in 2020. So is this all in 2020? Good. Otherwise that could be a bit of a mess. So it's going to be 8. So it's going to be 6780000 plus 82000, which is 6. I'm just going to use the calculator. 1, 2, 3 plus 820, 1, 2, 3 equals 760000. I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 7.6 times 10 to the power 6. Look at the numbers behind the first number and you'll find that tons. Yeah, see, I said remember the units, that they remember them for me. Right, simplify 2p to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is, if I'm talking to a student, they always say 1. Or sometimes they say 0, but they're wrong, it's 1. 9, y to the power 9 times y to the power minus 3 equals y to the power n. So that means y, 9 plus minus 3 equals, and 9 minus 3 equals 6. So it's y to the power n, y to the power 6, or n equals 6. And this is simplified fully. So it's just 5a 4 to the 4c squared times 5a to the 4c squared times 5a to the 4c squared, because I know you will remember to do a 12c6, so times those out, but a lot of people forget to do 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. You could also notice it's 5 cubed, but that's what you need to do as well. And I might have time for one more. So the diagram shows a roof support. The roof support is made from 4 lengths of wood, AB, AC, BC, and MC. Oh, I see. Right, AC, BC's 9, AB's 12, oh, it's all marked up, and AMC is 90. Lewis is going to buy lengths of wood to make the wood support. The wood costs €21.50 per metre. Each length of wood he buys has to be whole number of metres. Okay, work out the total cost of the wood he needs to buy. So it would be 12 plus 9 is 21.30. So we've got 30 metres for the out bit, and then CM would be, we'll just use backwards Pythagoras. So if we draw that, we know the bottom would be 6, the side would be, the hypotenuse would be 9. We don't know what that is, so it'd be 9 squared minus 6 squared equals x squared, which is 81 minus 36 equals x squared, which that's, I think it's going to be 45, but I'm not sure. 81 minus 36 equals 45, so 45 equals x squared. So that's, let's just root that. 3 root 5, let's just do the SD. So that's 6.7. So let's call, so that's 6.7, so the whole thing's 36.7, but he has to buy it in whole metres. So it'd be 37 metres times €21.50. So that would be 37 times 21.5 equals €795.50. And that is where, oh, yep, I didn't need to do that. There you go.